Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 根 step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then follow in one word and one sentence. Now let's write 根 means root, basis. Classify for long slender objects, for example, cigarettes, guitar strings. Check these words, 扎根 take root. The young tree has stuck root. Has struck root.这棵小树已经扎根了。这棵小树已经扎根了。这棵小树The young tree 已经扎根了。The young tree has stuck root. 这棵小树已经扎根了。My daily handwriting on the character 根 根 root, basis. 扎根 take root. The young tree has stuck root. 这棵小树已经扎根了。根 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 根. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.